So I wasn't able to give that many passes, but I really wanted you to be a part of this journey because this all happened because of you only. So I wanted to make this vlog extra special and to put extra more effort in this video just for you guys. Hey guys! So we are going to Mumbai for a YouTube FanFest. I am super excited but nervous at the same time. So let's see what's gonna happen. And quickly I want to show you my outfit. Pretty comfy, right? Let's go. We are in Mumbai now, and we are staying at St. Regis Hotel, right?
St. Regis.
So that's where we are heading, and then I will dress up. I'm extremely nervous, but I have to wear. I have 2 options, so I'm not sure, but I'm going to choose. But that's going to be the last minute decision.
I've tried, written down the words to say. It is time. I've been waiting fine.
So welcome, and we are at the hotel now. Get ready, and yes, I am still confused. So let's go. Ding 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 ding. चलिए आपको दिखाते हैं हम अपना होटल रूम. रिश्तों के भी रूप बदलते हैं. चलिए रूप बदल गया, होटल आ गया. बड़ा ही सुंदर सुंदर है. यहाँ पे शायद कुछ कंघी तेल वगैरह सब कुछ के लिए बड़ा प्यारा सा मिरर है. So and we have shower here, and who want to see that? Nobody. Okay, come. So then we have this vanity over here, and और ये है बाथटब जिसमें बैठ के तबेले में जैसे नहाते हैं ना वैसे तबेले में नहा सकते हैं. Okay, come. So here we have the bedroom or bed space and a big TV जिसमें बैठ के हम देखेंगे कुछ नहीं क्योंकि हमारे पास टाइम नहीं है. यहाँ पे बैठ के हम कोई स्टडी नहीं करेंगे. यहाँ पे बैठ के मैं मेकअप करूँगी. और यहाँ we have green apples with lots of wax on it. Big glass window and a beautiful view with amazing husband. So I'm in a salon to get my hair done, and look who is here. Hi. It's Kavita from Kavita's Kitchen, and we are getting the hair done from the same salon. This hotel has this amazing mirror in which you can see yourself in zoomed, as well as it's so clear. It's not dizzying me out. Most of the time when I use the zoom mirror, it just diz me out. Here done. I got it done from a salon because I didn't have that much time, and it's literally very difficult, especially to reach out at the back of your hair. So I want my hair to be perfect. That's why I went to a salon, and I met Kavita from Kavita's Kitchen. In the salon, she was getting her hair done as well. And Prachi is getting her hair done as well right now. Da-da-da-da! So we are ready, and I'm wearing this blue dress. Very casual. I tried to make it as casual and dressy at the same time. And here is hubby looking hot as usual. Okay, bye bye.
All right.
Let's go. Thank you so much. It's really nice.
Hey, Shruti! How's your night?
Arjun.
How are you? Good to see you.
Sorry, we couldn't make it ready.
So basically all YouTubers have their dedicated tents, and I am about to enter in the tent of cooking shooking, and I actually love all his videos, so that's why I'm gonna meet him. Hi, I'm Shruti. You know me? Oh my god! I actually watch all your videos. Can I take a selfie with you? So we are in front of Anisha, aka Rickshaw Wali's tent. So let's meet her and sit in her rickshaw. Chalo.
Hello, what's up, guys? Since we had our collab in Delhi, we ate chips together, and what else?
And you made me platter with the chips.
No, I didn't. No, nothing like that. I don't say that. You look amazing, by the way. Beautiful dress. How's like Mumbai?
Hot.
Hi Shruti, how's it going?
I actually met you, but I'm sure that you don't recognize me because you don't watch beauty.
Look at me, how I like as a beauty video.
So here is the famous Sahil Thakkar.
Khattar. Not that famous, by the way. Nahi to pata hota Khattar hai.
From being Indian.
Yes.
Okay, so you are hosting the show.
Yes.
So how it feels like you're hosting? What are you doing here? Are you hosting the red carpet as well?
No, so I'm hosting the main stage and we are hoping that this year is going to be khatarnak.
Okay.
Hashtag. Isko trend kara do, baki sab ठीक है.
It's very hot here, so I'm gonna wrap up. अभी हम हैं BBK Wines and नजर भट्टू के कैंप के सामने. अब जाके देखते हैं वहाँ पे है कि नहीं है. But I'm really excited to meet them. We all know you, but I'm sure that you don't know me because I guess you don't watch beauty videos. That's what I guess. Okay, so can you tell me what you are doing on stage? Can you reveal something?
Singing a couple of songs and I do what I do on camera.
Okay, so you're not doing the bento?
Copyright and the censorship of YouTube. So I have to avoid that. But
So you're just singing
based-
songs?
Yeah, do a couple of songs and then I do what I do.
Okay. Can I take a selfie with you?
Please, please, please.
Hi!
Good to see you.
I saw you in a Google event, na?
And stubborn.
So meet the Gandhi family once more. You already know them from Goa vlog. So they are here for cheering for me because I'm walking on red carpet and I'm really nervous. So
Shruti.
go, gir jao. So we are in the car and we are going for the meet and greet. It's a different venue. And then probably we will change for the red carpet. I'm extremely nervous for the red carpet, but let's hope for the best. Yeah. Don't judge me on red carpet, please.
Me neither. Please, even I'm like really nervous today, guys.
See, she's packing.
I've been packing since morning and then just messing everything up. You should never look at my suitcase. You'll never come to my channel again, I think.
But I liked your makeup kit, na? It was so small and nice.
Really?
I liked it.
Really?
And mine are like huge. I
Yeah,
carry
she does have a
everything
lot
with me.
of things.
I carry everything. I carry backups of
That's
stuff.
probably because you're a makeup junkie, you know.
Yeah,
You love makeup,
and I feel
right?
like, oh my god, if I don't have this, what I am going to do? How am I going to survive?
ये miss हो गया तो क्या होगा? Oh my god, how will I?
And even I haven't used like half of the makeup on my face.
I saw that.
Yes.
She finished her makeup in I think 5 minutes right now, and I was like, Shruti, look at that bag.
I've tried, written down the words to say it is time. I've been waiting 5 days to explain how you make me feel inside. Babe.
Look, this is my first autograph and it's so amazing. Thank you so much, guys. It really means a lot.
Shruti on the floor. Woo! Beautiful. All right. Okay. So, Shruti, Dhawani, I have a very weird connection with both of you, but more to that later. So, what I want to ask you from Be Beautiful to both of you, first of all. What is your first memory of using makeup? Since you both do makeup and lifestyle and DIY, so what is your first memory when you applied makeup?
My experience was that मम्मी देखना ले.
ओ हाँ, तो मम्मी ने देखा?
मम्मी ने देखा और पिटाई भी की.
पिटाई की? तो फिर उसके बाद वापस मेकअप लगाया, तो अभी तो आपने पूरा मेकअप लगाया है, तो अब क्या बोलेंगी?
Mummy is so proud of me now because she thinks that now I can put good makeup on her now. So that.
Oh, really? Oh, so now she's appreciating that you actually did that back in the days. All right, I have one more question for both of you, which is, what is your go-to skincare home remedy?
My home remedy is we wash your face with besan.
just like a scrub. Yeah.
All right, that's very easy. I think anybody can do this type of home remedy at home. So guys, are you excited to be here today?
Yes, very, very much.
Are your knees wobbly, shobbly?
A little, but I'm more excited to meet everybody.
So nice to see you and all the best and have fun, all right?
So finally the red carpet is done and the pressure is little lower. So this is my dress for the red carpet. I'm wearing a black top with a kind of a crop top with a skirt. Indian wear, which you guys voted for. I asked you on the YouTube community and most of the people commented that I should wear ethnic. So this is what I'm wearing. So let me change and I will show you what's next. You can see live. यहाँ live 100% instant results है. हम कर रहे हैं चोगली. You guys think in this work. So you can see. Super outside. Doing.
No, I don't do all this. I was just pretending. I knew the camera was on.
So we are just chilling out here in a restaurant and we are gonna eat something because we are extremely hungry. So after eating snacks, we are heading back for the live performances and let's go. Okay, so show just started and let's watch the show together. A little nervous because my clip is going to play before Shirley Setia's performance. So I'm excited.
Thank you, Be Beautiful, for letting me, flaunt this look at YouTube FanFest. I'm so excited now. Thank you, Shruti, for making me look so pretty. Yay, Shruti!
तू की जाने प्यार मेरा मैं करा इंतजार तेरा तू दिल तू यूं जान Sing along!
Okay, so the show is over and I had great fun and we were like amazed, especially with the set. Just look at how beautiful it is and looking forward for the next year. Here is Zakir Khan who performed.
For most of the YouTubers, FanFest is like film fair. Like yaar,
Today I felt the same thing for the red carpet.
Yeah, how was it? You tell me, how was it walking
It was like कि खत्म हो गया, चलते साथ ही खत्म हो गया, बड़ा छोटा था और होना चाहिए 2-3 किलोमीटर तक पहले से
यार देखो ब्यूटी ब्लॉगर्स का ही है ना, उनको जितना ज़्यादा टाइम मिले फ्लॉन्ट करने का तब उन्हें लगता है कि यार now
The heartbreaker is not ready for the vlog today. He said, please don't vlog. No more vlog today.
Yesterday I saw so many cameras, I'm just hating camera right now.
Yeah, it's morning time, so we're gonna get ready and then we will go for the breakfast. Ever because you can find all the brands here. This mall is just like nearby our hotel or like hotel की lobby से गली भी जा रही है